That dealership where I bought this, they've shut down.
Have they?
Well, they've done away with selling
that's
bikes.
right, you're saying
they've
put cars.
It's all gone to the cars, so they obviously sell the cars more than the bikes.
Yeah. You'd have thought BMW would, like, you know, do all right.
Yeah. Yeah, because they're still up there with the sales, aren't they? You know,
Yeah.
one of the top ones. I'm amazed though that these new ones, like the 1300s and that. I mean, when you're talking over 30 grand for a bike with the options on it, and yet they sell. Somebody's buying them.
Well,
You are.
you are, yeah.
I would never buy a new one. Never.
Did anyone see that clip of a BMW mechanic taking a Vosge apart? He's a BMW mechanic stripping down a Vosge. I don't know if it was the 900 or the 800. Identical.
Was it?
Yeah, well, there's they make the engines for fucking BMW, didn't they?
Yes, but he was just literally saying how identical it was. But someone, like say, replaced the engine cover with a BMW one onto a Vosge, and it fitted exactly.
But
that tells
video,
you how close.
Yeah, that video that Alex put up with the mechanic stripping down that CF Moto 1000 MTX. Tell you, they use quality bloody parts, don't they? And yet all these people, well, they probably got crap this, crap that. Everything about that engine was quality.
I'm back.
Here he is. Elton
Like
John.
a candle in the wind before you plug and start. Nice little pub.
Another one with a big car park.
Yeah. There's plenty out this way for summer trips, isn't there? To go out and have a spot of lunch instead of breakfast.
Yeah, it looks like it.
I was waiting for Nigel to say, what, instead of breakfast? No, we can have both.
Yeah, as well as.
Look at that place.
Can I have a small breakfast, but make it large?
Yeah, I'm only going to have the small one. Yeah, with extra bacon, sausage, egg, mushrooms.
I honestly thought you did have the small one.
I did.
No, he didn't.
With an extra sausage and an extra bit of bacon. Because all the others had sauteed potatoes with them.
Yeah, that's just wrong, that is.
And
have you got PTSD about sauteed potatoes now?
No, I just didn't want chips for breakfast again.
I just think it's wrong.
You didn't finish that breakfast and it's just haunting you now.
I bet that chef, when he said fuck me on four, was going, yes! Beautiful, Rose.
I can't believe it. This fucking thing hasn't gone wrong at all, has it?
You sound like that bloke that rides the T7 that took their Vosge out going, I really wanted to hate it.
It's a wide road, isn't it?
It is a very nice stretch of road. Here we go.
I had a peep. Just to see how many there was.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
No, bandit, wasn't it? Was it diversion?
Looked like a bandit, yeah.
Oh, was it?
I still like them bikes. Bloody good all-rounders.
They were. I said I enjoyed my bandit.
Did you have the 6 or the 12?
I had the 6.
Yeah, that's what I had.
I had the 12 and the 1250.
Yeah, I was only a youngster, so insurance is always a concern.
Yeah.
Only if you buy it.
True.
Not all of us nicked bikes when we was younger.
A lot of people make that mistake.
I just don't like the electronic side of it. It's more to go wrong, isn't it?
Well, it is, but you'll get that with modern motorcycles, whether you like it or not now.
Yeah.
Plus, you've got to take in, it's down to the condensation level as well.
This is true.
You've got to take into account the humidity in that dash.
Of course, yeah. We didn't think about that, did we?
What you'd have to do is if you'd have to haggle. Will they throw in the condensation for nothing?
I think you'll find they will.
I reckon they will.
I just seen a sign there. Marlborough's tied with someplace in Gambia.
Okay, now.
Yeah, I know. Nigel's pulled.
I was going to say. She was obviously attracted to his fun bags that were attached
Oh,
on the
definitely.
front.
So you're going to stop right across us, are you?
Well, if everyone else is stopping, we'll go.
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, we're stopping here.
We are. We are in there, look. Should we go over with those dirty bikes?
Oh, yes.
Why ever not? We're going here, look. Lovely jubbly.
Nice to see dirt bikes used for what they're meant for, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, defo.
Yeah.
Hello.
Nice to see you. It's like adventure bikes. Nice to see them being used a little bit.
Yeah.
We've been fucking on an adventurous route today. That hasn't gone wrong yet.
That's very kind of you, sir. Oh, I just want to know what I'm having.
A latte and a Mars bar. twin duo.
Just a black coffee, I'll be alright. Thank you.
Fucking black coffee.
Do you want me to back up and we can all go off this drop curb?
No, I got an adventure bike.
Yeah, he's like, fuck you.
It's definitely fuck you. He's going, isn't he?
I know, he's like,
We're going that way after the Hyundai. Mr. Volvo, look, getting pissy.
yeah, thanks. Thank you. Prick.
Second roundabout and right.
Yeah. Very decent of him.
Yeah, both of them.
Oh, don't like the look at that lot up there.
No.
That's twice you said that today.
Yeah. I'll tell you what. If I had jeans on, I'd be worried.
Yeah, right. Who in their right minds would wear jeans on a day like today?
I don't know. Only a fucking idiot.
Somebody who's got crash bar bags that'll keep him dry until the monsoon season arrives.
Well, hopefully we won't find out if them crash bags work.
No.
No.
It's a nice arch.
I thought you were going to say something else then, Steve.
Yeah, they just say nice ass.
Yeah.
Well, I've got a choice of two in front of me and neither look that good.
Very
nice.
posh.
It is.
It is, isn't it? Marlborough College.
1893, you know.
Yeah, that's
Where's
just a
it?
downpipe.
Yeah.
I wonder what the fucking yearly fees are there.
Expensive.
Yeah.
I'll bet.
Ask Nipper crossing the road. He'll probably say, I don't know, Daddy's paying for it.
Yes, Daddy sorts my business.
Yeah.
Yes. He's very posh, isn't he?
It is.
Oh, yes.
It is rather nice. Hey, look at that.
There it is.
Yeah, John. What?
Oh, I think I've got it on camera.
What?
Merlin's Mound.
I won't. I got some troglodyte looking fucking thing from Yeovil. It's a nice thatch.
Oh,
Nice
yes.
trimmed as well.
Yes.
Nice bit of flaunching around the chimney pots.
A bit of felching.
You know.
Always him, isn't
Yeah.
it? Just got to lower that tone.
Would you like to bit of felching round my chimney pot?
Sorry, officer. I bet the feminists hate this place.
Oh yes, Man Town.
Yeah.
Well, ton is an abbreviation of town, isn't it? So
Exactly.
there he goes. Them little fences are like starting gates for him, isn't
They
it?
are, yeah.
It's my trigger.